Known for its benefits to the human body since ancient time, garlic is a food that is frequently used both to improve health and to add flavor to meals. The positive effects of garlic, which is a natural antibiotic, do not end with counting. Thanks to its antiviral and antibacterial properties, it is good for many physiological problems when consumed regularly. What are the benefits of regular garlic consumption? When and how much should it be consumed? Let's examine together. Before moving on to its advantages, you can subscribe to our channel for free with a new informative video every day. What are the benefits of consuming only 2 cloves of garlic a day? Garlic, which regulates the fluidity of the blood, contributes to the normalization of blood pressure by relieving the contraction and tension in the vessels. It is very rich in flavonoids, which have positive effects on the regulation of cholesterol levels in blood vessels. Garlic is effective in reducing the risk of heart diseases in the long run. With its rich potassium content, it is effective in the work of striated muscles and in maintaining the body's water balance. On the other hand, even if garlic is consumed sparingly, its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect purify the entire digestive system from toxins and bacteria. Allicin compounds in its content have a lethal effect against all pathogenic microorganisms and parasites in the digestive system. In addition, the pectin substance it contains helps to balance blood sugar and provides protection against sugar imbalances. Particles form unsuitable bonds for protein substances in the body, rendering them unusable. This process is called glycation in the medical world. Thanks to the compounds it contains, garlic prevents the formation of ligation. 2 cloves of garlic against diseases. In addition to all its positive effects, it acts as a shield against microbiological factors such as bacteria, fungi, and viruses. It provides easy removal of the disease period. There is phenolic acid, known for its anti-inflammatory effects on the membrane part. These substances relieve dry cough, improve respiratory quality, and soften the throat. Also, antioxidant substances taken into the body against cancerous cells are very important. At the same time, thanks to the phenolic compounds it contains, these compounds become very strong antioxidants and reduce the activation of carcinogenic substances. Garlic for healthier muscle and bone tissue. Garlic reduces both acute and chronic pain. It contains beneficial compounds that work for the protection of bones and joints. It is good for many physiological problems, especially muscle injuries caused by impact and damage to bone tissue. Garlic for a healthier brain structure. Garlic contains minerals that prevent damage to cognitive functions. Neurotoxins can form in the brain that inhibit certain functions. Garlic, which has a very high antioxidant content, binds to harmful toxins in the body and expels them, which has a relaxing effect on the brain and nervous system. At the same time, it functions multitasking, removes the dead skin layer from the skin, and eliminates acne and blackheads due to its antibacterial properties. It contributes to the production of collagen by tightening the pores and assumes many important responsibilities in a wide range of skincare. In addition, garlic, which accelerates blood circulation and strengthens hair follicles, is very effective in preventing hair loss. So, does such a beneficial food have side effects? How much and when it should be consumed? Who should be very careful while consuming it? First of all, garlic, which has blood-thinning properties, can increase the effect of blood thinners. For this reason, people who use drugs constantly should consult their doctor before consuming garlic and garlic juice. First of all, garlic, with its antiviral and antimicrobial properties, starts to clean all digestion and intestines as soon as it enters the body, and this situation turns into a negative when it is consumed excessively or excessively. Antiviral properties irritate irritate the digestive tract and cause discomfort. Experts state that 2 cloves of garlic added to salad, yogurt or meals 3 to 4 days a week are very beneficial for healthy individuals. In the light of this information, you can add garlic to your diet and benefit from its long-term benefits.